Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 29th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far, but it's a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48, the storm system moving across the country, and we're going to dive on into that. Plus, we're going to take a look at your local forecast for your Tuesday and Wednesday, current watch and warning advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the fire weather hazards toward the end of this video, so make sure you stick around through it, and we'll talk about that as well. And also, we have a few areas of just one area of general thunderstorm expected across the California region, and we'll talk about that in tonight's video as well. Alrighty, you can see pretty quiet conditions stretching from California pretty much over towards the North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia region. You can see most of the activity is up here around Oregon, Washington, Montana, Idaho, and southern Canada region. Also up here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Michigan, and also up in the Maine, New Brunswick, Newfoundland area. And the cold front stretches all the way down toward the Gulf Coast, and you can see that activity continue to push away from the area. And you can see a big plume of moisture here moving into the Pacific Southwest. We're moving to the Baja region of California, and also into areas of New Mexico, Texas, and then eventually across the southeastern U.S., as it should bring some beneficial rains toward the forecast area towards the end of the forecast cycle earlier this weekend, that is. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to start off with your local forecast, and we're going to start off with your Tuesday outlook, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, you can see we got lots of snow up here from New Brunswick to Maine to New York State, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, which were Minnesota, North Dakota, portion of Iowa and Illinois. We got a few pockets of mixed precipitation in portion of Montana. Also pockets of heavy snow in portion of northeast Ohio, western portion of New York State, central New York State, and also northern areas of Pennsylvania, and also over here Lake Huron. We got some shower activity across the Florida Keys. Also here west coast of California, stretching into central California areas as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty, we're still waiting on it to pop up here, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got some heavy snow up here in portion of western New York State, northwest Pennsylvania, northeast Ohio, and up here into southeastern Canada toward Lake Huron, a little bit in West Virginia and southwestern Pennsylvania. Got some shower and thunderstorm activity from New Mexico to Arizona to southern California, the Baja region of California, also northern western areas of Mexico, stretching into California and Oregon. Mixed precipitation from Oregon to California, Nevada, Utah, portion of Idaho, Colorado, New Mexico, and also into Arizona, and some heavy rain and flash flooding possible over southern California. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty. Air quality alerts over here in the area of Washington, Oregon, Idaho region. Dense fog advisory in portions of central and northern California. Wind advisories over a portion of southern California. Also in a portion of southern Nevada and western areas of Arizona. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisory for portions of southeast New Mexico and also western Texas. We got cold weather advisory stretching from areas of Louisiana to Mississippi to Alabama, southern Georgia, even the Florida Panhandle and the northern Florida region as well. Got freeze warning across southeast Georgia, freeze watches across central and northern Florida. Special weather statements are issued for you guys in the Georgia region around the Atlanta metro area. We got a lake wind advisory around Lake Moultrie across South Carolina. And then we got high wind warnings and wind advisories for western North Carolina, Virginia, eastern areas of eastern Virginia, stretching into areas of Pennsylvania, Delaware, D.C., New Jersey, all the way up to Rhode Island. Let's see, also in the portion of New York State, Connecticut, also in the Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, like I said, Long Island. Winter weather advisory with northern areas of Maine. Special weather statements there as well. More special weather statements for New Hampshire, Vermont, and also a portion of northern New York State. Also, we got some winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for Michigan. Wind advisories there also. Also, we have some areas of some freezing rain. Also, a portion of the Great Lakes region. Also, some heavy snow warnings in effect for portion of Pennsylvania, stretching into portion of New York State. We've got some ice storm warnings also for portion of northern Pennsylvania and central New York State. Smoke rat advisory, gale warning from Maine to the east coast of Florida, west coast of Florida, back to the east coast of Mexico, southern California. Got some high surf warnings around the area of the Hawaiian Chain Island, and then around the Alaska region we have some freezing spray warnings, some storm warnings, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, and also some smoke rat advisories around the area as well. Special weather statements over North Dakota, and high wind warning is also in effect for a portion of Wyoming. Alright, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your day 3. Just only some general thunderstorms from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles to San Diego area. Elsewhere, no thunderstorms are forecast at this time. Alright, fire weather for the area. Let's take a look at the fire weather discussion for your day 2, which is Tuesday. We have an elevated risk from Raleigh to Columbia to areas of Jacksonville, down toward Tampa, Fort Myers, Miami, also toward Tallahassee, Dalton, Columbus area, also over here toward Wichita Falls to Norman, Oklahoma, and Fort Steele areas as well. Alrighty, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.